Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting yourself and the finish. Wear nitrile gloves and eye protection because grease dissolvers can irritate. Once done, test on a hidden spot for 30 seconds to confirm no paint lift or damage. Now shake the bottle well and spray 6-8 inches away in short bursts. This delivers even coverage and avoids oversaturation. Do this to the dirtiest patch first so you can see cleaning progress and adjust contact time. You let the product work. Allow a 30 to 60 second dwell so solvents break down grease, but make sure it does not dry. Drying reduces effectiveness. Then agitate with a soft brush or microfiber in circular motions to lift embedded grime. Why? Mechanical action releases residues the solvent loosened. If residue remains, reapply only to that spot and wait another 30 seconds, then agitate again. This staged approach, you finish by removing the product completely. Rinse with water or wipe thoroughly with a damp microfiber until no residue remains, because leftover solvent can attract dirt. Next, dry with a clean microfiber to prevent streaks and inspect the surface for any softening or discoloration. If the finish softens or looks damaged, stop immediately, neutralize with lots of water, and test a gentler product on an inconspicuous area. This troubleshooting step prevents lasting harm and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.